Hey guys, we're doing Eric Clapton today, San Francisco Bay Blues, Unplugged. Take a listen to it on YouTube and then come back here and you can hear what we're learning. All right, here we go. All right, a lot of fun on that one. Hi guys, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com, where we gather together to learn, play, and share the music that we love, creating a culture of encouragement for all of you people out there who are trying to learn piano online. You can do it if you pick the right lessons and you know how to practice, and that's what I'm here for. All right guys, if you are a member of the website, you can download the sheets for this. They are extensive. If you listen to this recording, there's lots of neat piano blues stuff in there, and it's not too hard as far as blues stuff goes. So if you have a background already in blues, you should be able to jump right in. If you're kind of new to it, this is a good kind of one to get your feet wet. All right, so it's a lot of fun, a lot of neat piano stuff in there, as well as I'll include some of the guitar licks every once in a while, so that's a lot of fun to do that. Anyway, let's get to the what we're doing here. All right, so we have the sheet here, and I give more than I'm going to give in this part one here on my website, webpianoteacher.com, for free. And if you didn't know this, you can view all the thousands of part ones for free on the website without having to look at YouTube pop-ups and ads and all of that. You can just get on there and have fun and enjoy all the part ones on there for free. But if you are a member, you can download the sheet, and I do recommend doing that, or hooking it up to your monitor, and you can make it big like this on a TV if your eyesight's bad, and then you can zoom out if you want to see the whole page. That's a neat way to use the sheets. But let's get to it. Here we go. We're going to start out with, there's no piano, so I'm just going to just start right out here. I'm going to kind of emulate what the guitar's doing, okay? And I'll explain more in detail on Web Piano Teacher on this part one. This is kind of just to get you over to the site. You know, it's a great site for piano learning. So I'll give you a little bit here, and if you want more, you can go over the site. G, C, E, left hand on a C octave. Then I'm going to go to C, E, G, back to G, C, E. So I'm going to kind of vamp that, just kind of dump-a-dump-a-dump-a-dump-a-dump. Kind of putting my left hand thumb in between. If you're a very, very beginner, you can just go, that'll work. But if you can go, da 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 da, just kind of beat on the desk, bump a bump a bump a bump, get that rhythm in. I'm holding the pedal. Now I'm going to go to F chord. All right, A, C, F. Then I'm going to go to C, F, A. That's an F chord, left hand on an F octave. So again, the same rhythm. Dun, 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 dun. And everybody will vamp a different way. You don't have to play exactly what I'm doing. In fact, I recommend not trying to play exactly what I'm doing, but to get your own feel in there, but just kind of follow the rhythm. All right, so we both may play it correctly in a way that works, but we'll be different, and that's the wonderful thing about music. All right, is we all have our own personalities in the way that we play. That'll come out. G, C, E, left hand on a C, 1. Won't have that G, D right at the end. Okay, 1, 2, E, G, B flat, C, left hand on a C. Then the bass guitar goes bum, 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 bum. I'll put that in there if you'd like to do that. C, C, D, E. Put that in there. But it's just kind of dun, 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 dun. Now, if you're a beginner at this, yours will sound like this maybe. Do that, that's all right. Everybody starts somewhere. Then you try to put a little rhythm into it. 3, 4, and then we have all right, so we'll do one more measure here because I give you all this stuff already on the website, so you can just hop over there and learn. But F, A, C, left hand on an F. And then this neat little, that's a blues device. I have really stretchy fingers and a large hand, so I can do this all like this, 1, 2, 3, 5, and that's not going to be easy for a lot of you to do. So what you can do instead is go 1, 2, 1, 5, like this, 1, 2, 1. Or here's another little trick: let your left hand play the G, and then like that. That's another way you can do it. But I'm going to do it this way, because I can reach that. And then ACF. And probably 99 out of 100 people will not do this. So don't kill yourself trying to do that. Now ACF 125, BEG with 135, ADF with 124. And that's the kind of detail I like to give you guys. The difference between an F chord and a D minor. One note, but the sound is completely different. So I'm not just going to get close and give you two F chords there. I hear a D minor on that one. Those little details. I'm not perfect, right? But I really try to give you good details on what chord it is and rhythms and those little bitty things that really matter. Here we go. Ready, go. 1, 2. All right, and then we had why not? Let's do this. G, C, E, left hand on a C. ACF. I have trouble stopping once I get going. ACF 125. And then G, C, E, and we're going to flip that E from a D sharp. That makes it a blues sound. All I'll do is take my third finger and just kind of flick it off to the fourth finger on an E. And then C, D, F, F is next. Let's put it all together. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, ready, go. You'll notice a lot of the vamping I'm doing is just left hand thumb in between the right hand. That's a good way to start when you're trying to start vamping and put some rhythm to your chords. Okay, a lot of it is just that left hand thumb, maybe right hand thumb, kind of going back and forth in the gaps, waiting till it's time to go on to something else. Okay, I kind of call it marking time. It's just like when a guitar player has a chord and they just strum the chord till it's time for the next chord. That's kind of what we do on piano, though we pianists have a little bit more trouble getting into that style of playing. But it's wonderful. One of the wonderful things about our instrument is we can be a whole band. I mean, we can be a whole symphony. Okay, what do you have when you have someone accompanying a singer when the real song has an orchestra? You have a piano do it, because the piano is the only instrument that can really cover big groups and condense it down and have it into one instrument, which is so amazing about our instrument. And also presents a lot of difficulties too. But I'm here to help you with that every step of the way. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this part 1. Come over and join us on webpianoteacher.com. We have more and more people every day that are just enjoying the part 1 videos for free. Love to see you over there. Talk to you later.